Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today is Monday, 20 December, and it's your English lecture day. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about active and passive voice of past and future indefinite tense. First of all, we about past indefinite tense. Here are some rules of active and passive voice of past indefinite tense. First, we interchange the position of subject and object. We use by, and the helping verbs we use are was and verb, and also we use third form of verb. Interchange the position of subject and object. Use of by. Helping verbs are was and were, third form of verb. Here we'll discuss more properly in our examples. First example is I wrote a letter. A letter was written by me. As you can see that we use was as a helping verb. Written is the third form of write. And wrote is the second form. And me is interchanged into I. A letter was written by me. My friend gave me 5 chocolates. 5 chocolates were given by my friend to me. Here we use were as a helping verb and given is the third form of give. The doctor asked her to stay in bed. Ask is the third form of ask and we use was here. And we use was as a helping verb and ask is third form of ask. He told me to do it. I was told by him to do it. Here we change he into him and was used as a helping verb and told is the third form of tell. Last example is we did not hear a sound. A sound was not heard by us. Now you can see we is it changed into us and was is used as a helping verb and heard is a third form of hear. Here we do not use second form in our active voice tense because did not is also a second form. So that's why we use here a first form. And passive voice is a sound was not heard by us. Here we use was and verb as a helping verb. We use third form of verb and we use by in these all sentences. Next we will discuss about future indefinite. The rules are the same but the helping verb is changed in future indefinite tense. Here we will use will be and shall be. Interchange the position of subject and object. Use of by. Helping verbs are will be and shall be. And third form of verb. Discuss some examples. He will sing a song. A song will be sung by him. Sung is the third form of sing and here we use will be as a helping verb and he is changed into him. A song will be sung by him. I will teach English. English will be taught by me. Will be is the helping verb and taught is the third form of teach and I is changed into me. I will teach English. English will be taught by me. He will not forgive his enemy. His enemy will not be forgiven by him. Forgiven is the third form of forgive and as you can see that it's a negative sentence. He will not forgive his enemy. So we will use helping verb here as will not be. His enemy will not be forgiven by him. He is changed into him. Will he lock the door? It's an interrogative sentence and its passive voice will be will the door be locked by him? As you can see that will is on the start and we use be after the object. Will the door be locked by him? He is changed into him. Next is also an interrogative sentence. Will Shahid cook food? Will the food be cooked by Shahid? Cooked is the third form of cook, and here same we use will the food be. We use be after the object. Will the food be cooked by Shahid? So as you all can see that we use will be as a helping verb here and third form of verb, and in all sentences we use by, and we change the position of subject and object. Thank you so much. I hope you all understand this lecture and take care of yourself at home and enjoy your holiday. Allah Hafiz.